If you've got any timber surface around your home, like your deck, that hasn't been cleaned for some time, you'll see there's a big build-up of biological growth. Now, even though we can kill that with the wet and forget, that growth won't self-release. We're about to show you a product that will cure this problem. Hit the Deck is a really simple product to use. It comes in powder form. Put scoops of Hit the Deck into 7 litres of reasonably warm water, stir until that powder is dissolved, put it into your garden sprayer and spray a section of deck. Don't try and do too much at once, probably 15 to 20 square metres, and keep the surface of that deck wet with the product for at least 30 minutes for it to activate. Then you use your short bristle scrub brush going with the grain to scrub that biological growth off. It will come off very easily, and then hose down with fresh water. You'll have a fantastic new looking deck. Now, of course, you might say to me, well, why don't I just use a water blaster? The problem with water blasting is it's very aggressive and it will pull up the nap of the timber and you'll end up with a hang of a mess on there. You could get splinters from the timber and it will go all furry. So it's a very, very bad idea to use water blasting. This is a very gentle, natural method using pure oxygen. Hit the Deck, a timber deck rejuvenator using pure oxygen. Another great product by Wet and Forget.